So today we'll show you the autopsy for the RO membranes. Okay, this we have one membrane element which is the capacity is 100 gallon per day. This is used for sink water RO system. In our kitchen we are having this one. Just you can see this membrane. This is the product side. This product side. This you can see two O-rings. So the treated water does not escape. So this is the feed side. The water enter from here and then it go through the from this permeate tube, it go to the tap. So today we'll make autopsy for this one just to show you how is the internal structure. We will cut this one. So we will remove this one, this tape. This tape just to remove this brine seal. So the next is this tape on the membrane envelopes. We will remove this one. This is to protect the membrane so it not unwrap. So see, you can see the condition. So you can see this membrane. This is used 2 years. After 2 year use, this is the feed spacer. Feed spacer. Okay, guys. So this is the membrane. If you can see, there is feed spacer. This one, feed spacer. The water flow this side from the feed spacer. This is for the turbulence. From this water go inside vertically perpendicular in the membrane. So if you can see feed spacer, then there is membrane. This is the first leaf, and then there is also feed spacer, and there is second leaf. So one complete leaf is the two membranes, and inside is the permeate spacer which will carry the product to the permeate tube. Okay, so this is the spacer. Okay, and if you can see here the permeate tube, so these two leaves are attached to this permeate tube which is having hole. So the permeate will enter, it will enter inside and will go through this tube. It will go out to the this one. So this is called spiral wound because this is if I leave this will come back. So why it come back? Because long time it is in this condition, so it is coming back. This is SWM, spiral wound membrane. You can see here there are two leaves. Spacer, there is full leaf, then spacer, there is second leaf. So total two leaves. Next we can cut small portion from here, and I will show you the membrane and the permeate spacer which carry the water inside. Okay guys, so here we cut the small portion from this membrane. So you can see this is the first membrane. This is the first membrane, the active side, and then there is permeate spacer which will carry the water towards the I mean permeate tube, and this is the second membrane. So one membrane, one permeate spacer, the second membrane. So this is one envelope, one complete envelope. This is called one envelope, one leaf. And from here you can see all the leaves are glue lined. Both are glued. So permeate water does not escape from this. So these are glued. You can see here this side is completely glued. So these are called glue lines. So the permeate water which will enter from this membrane, it will go inside and then it will move towards the permeate tube. So it will not escape from here or from here or from here. So there is strong glue line here. So this is the autopsy. If you can see the membrane surface, this is a used membrane 2 years. So there is fouling. You can see there is no scaling because this is for home RO, but fouling is there.